Prepare and generate reports. In the menu on your left, select Reports. Once selected, you will have two options, Reports or Data Export. The Reports tab allows you to generate, download, or print detailed reports from a chosen sensor. Several types of reports are available to you. First, select a type of report to generate. Then select a sensor. And finally, a predefined period. If you do not select any options, the report will display real-time data and averages. You have the option to display the moving average, the graph, the alert summary, and the note summary over a defined period. Once ready, click on Generate Report. This action may take a few seconds. Depending on the number of boxes checked, you will see that each page of the report corresponds to the page dedicated to a section. You can print or save a copy of the displayed report. Wait for the system to create your file, and you will find the download link in the notification log in the upper right corner of the page. If you have any questions, contact our experts by phone or email.